Make her shake her maracas. I'm taking a movie of her. Josie's first Halloween as Carmen Miranda. Woohoo!
Shake your maracas. Mommy's gonna
Woohoo!
shake your maracas.
Kick off your shoes.
Stand up on the end.
Stand up, baby.
Oh, so cute.
Back up. Oh, that's precious.
Josie.
Da, 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 da.
Dance, Josie.
Dance.
Dance. Woo.
My back is too.
Woo.
It's reaching for a maraca. Look at that.
Get your maracas. Da, 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 da.
Do, do,
Shake
do,
your
do, do,
maracas.
do, 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 do. Whoa.
Whee! Go, Josie, go!
Look at that little girl. Her pants are starting to fall down. Gonna trip her up.
Whoop.
Oh,
Like that.
that little hat's in the way.
Where you going, sweet pea?
The little maracas and all came with the outfit?
Look at her pants falling
forgot
down.
those for a separate. Oh, little pants. Let's put your little pants up.
That's perfect. You couldn't have thought.
Isn't that beautiful? Josie, make a noise, Ben. Don't scare her, though.
Josie! What a go forward.
Do that.
Shake 'em, come on. Shake your maracas. Shake your
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
It's October 31st, 2008. Josie's first Halloween.
Yay, Halloween!
And my dad's birthday.
Is it
I think it's the big 6-0.
Always.
And the day he retires.
Oh, my goodness.
So this is an eventful occasion.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hop.
Hop, hop, hop.
Oh, your pants are...
It came undone.